Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm so sorry, haven't been active recently and putting videos up for you guys, but I am now finally back. I have just finished college for summer, and so that's why I was really busy, because I had a lot of college work going on, and I also just recently passed my driving test, so I was quite busy learning all the stuff for that and everything. I'm finally back with you guys here today, and I'm gonna try and make a cool project for you guys. So what I have here today is this big piece of wood. So, what I'm gonna try and do is just see if I can make anything pretty cool out of it. I'm only gonna be using wood, no resin today, because I make a lot of resin projects, and I just want to see what I can do with just this piece of wood. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys could stick around till the end to find out what I make from this big piece of wood. So I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this video here today. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you guys can see on the machine, it's really wobbly to turn. So I'm actually gonna have to spend quite a lot of time on shaping this piece of wood. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have now got this piece of wood here nice and round, ready to shape it. Not quite sure what I'm going to shape it into yet, but I will try my best to make it look as good as possible. I also know this piece of wood is actually 100 years old, so hopefully I can make something really cool out of it. Well, I think it's 100 years old anyway. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have now shaped it. I think it's going to be some kind of vase, maybe. I'm not too sure where I'm going to go next with it, but what I am going to do next is I have some super glue here, and I'm just going to fill in some of these cracks just to stop it cracking even more. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to continue shaping this a bit more, then I'm going to move on to sanding. Okay guys, so as you can see, it kind of appears that I went too deep while just shaping this a bit more. So this bit the top part has completely snapped off, and I don't think there's any way I'm going to be able to glue that back on now. So I'm just going to have to make do with what I have left. Okay guys, so I've just sanded it from 120 to 180, and now I'm just going to put some sanding sealer on it, and then a bit of Yorkshire grit, and then see if I can finish this one off. Okay guys, so now this is all sanded down to 240 grit. So now what I'm going to do is apply some Yorkshire grit and also some shallow wax to really shine this up. Even though with the missing part and with this that it completely snapped off, I still think it's going to look quite good. And there you have it guys, it is now looking nice and shiny. Okay guys, so here we are. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. Something I especially like is all these little, the roughness look of it. So you got all these little like marks in it. You got the little holes and stuff, little holes and things like that. It just because since this wood is very, very old, I think it looks quite nice with it. And as you can see, for a change, put my logo in the front here. Thought it'd look quite nice. I also have put some of this on the bottom, just to cover up the holes I made when I had to put it in the chuck. Also just a nice thing to have on the bottom of it as well. And also guys, as always, this project will be put up onto my dad's website, which I will leave in the description below if anyone is interested in purchasing this project. And on the topic of that, I don't know if any of you guys remember, but a long time ago, a few years back, I made this comb bowl. So someone sent me down some combs and I put them in resin and I made a bowl out of it. So I'll just show it again just in case some of you don't remember or have never seen it before. I've also got my little, this is back when I didn't have the little emblems. I just put in a piece of wood and put in a little Charlie the Maker symbol right there. So if anyone is interested, I am now going to be putting this on the website. So I'll leave a link for that in the description below. Also, I would love to hear your guys' comments on what you thought about this project. So let me know in the comment section down below. I also just want to thank everyone for sticking with me and my channel and helping support me. I really do appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy this video, I would also really appreciate if you would share this video with your friends, family, whoever. So thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.